Want to learn guitar, speak Spanish, master Excel, or draw? AI creates personalized learning paths just for you. Your pace, your schedule, your learning style. Here's how to become a fast learner. Traditional learning are all about generic courses, one size fits all, fixed pace, too fast or too slow, expensive, hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars, no customization for your own background. With AI, 100% customized to you, at your pace, your schedule, completely free for the basics, adapts as you progress. AI can create personalized learning roadmaps, practice exercises at your exact level, explanation in your learning style, progress tracking suggestions, study schedules that fit your life, real world projects to apply skills to. AI adapts to four learning styles. One is visual, ask for flowcharts, diagrams, infographics. Auditory, explains like a conversation, uses analogies. Kinesthetic, practice focused, hands on exercises. Reading, writing, detailed notes, written explanations. Sometimes when I'm researching, because AI generates so much conversational based responses, I have to sometimes stop so that I can consume the information and then start again. Let's create some learning plans together. So, the first learning plan, I'm creating a 30-day learning plan for a complete beginner to learn basic photography using just a smartphone. Break it into daily lessons taking 20 minutes each. For each day, include one concept to learn, one practice exercise, and how to know you've mastered it. Start with absolute fundamentals. By day 30, I should be able to take professional looking photos with my phone. You see the prompt? Now, when you put that prompt in ChatGPT, it will curate or structure a 30-day photography learning plan for you. In week 1, day 1, understand light, concept, practice, and mastery check. Day 2, the magic of shadows. Concept, practice, mastery check. Day 3, exposure and brightness. Day 4, focus and depth. Day 5, composition basics, rules of thirds. Day 6, leading lines and framing. Day 7, symmetry and perspective. Week 2, mastering your phone camera. Know your camera settings, white balance, using natural light. It will take a couple of minutes, but as you see, it will generate a 30-day learning plan to learn photography for a beginner using just a smartphone. So this is how intelligent AI can be in helping you learn new things. Now the second demo is, let's say you want to learn Spanish. So in ChatGPT, I would write, I want to learn conversational Spanish for a 2-week Mexico trip in 3 months. I'm complete beginner, which means I don't know anything about Spanish. Create a week by week learning plan focusing on practical phrases I'll actually use traveling. Based on the prompt you give to ChatGPT, it would generate a structured course to learn Spanish. Now, it's a 12-week conversational Spanish plan. Goal is to understand and respond in everyday travel situations with simple sentences. In week 1, learn the foundation and survival basics. Key phrases like hola, buenos dias, buenos tardes, buenos noches, some of the words that you could learn in week 1. It created a daily 30-minute routine, 10 minutes to listen and repeat from an app like Duolingo or Babbel or other apps, 10 minutes to shadow audio, and 10 minutes to write flashcards for 10 key phrases. Week 2 is all about learning numbers, money, and directions. Week 3 is all about food and ordering at restaurants. Week 4 is getting around. Emergencies in health is week 5. Week 6 is social interactions and small talk. So it helped you create a custom plan that you can use to learn Spanish before you go to the trip. Let's look at another demo where you're learning coding. Consider yourself as a complete beginner who has never done coding in your life. Now I can write in ChatGPT to create a plan, a learning plan for Python for basic data analysis. I have Excel skills but zero coding experience. Create a learning path that starts from absolute zero, focuses especially on data analysis, includes hand-on practice projects, and so on. So based on this prompt, and again, the prompt has to be based on your circumstances, not this exact prompt. You have to put in your personal flavor to give you personalized responses. Now here is a 2-week, 2-month, or 8-week Python learning plan designed for 1 hour per day. In week 1, ChatGPT suggests we do Python foundations. These are the topics that we should learn. We should practice this. This is the mini project we should complete in week 1, and this is the mastery check. Week 2 is working with data, reading, writing, and cleaning. Topics, practice, mini project, and mastery. Third week is all about learning data manipulation, Excel power user level. These are the topics that we need to learn. This is the practice that we need to do. This is a mini project we need to complete. And this is the mastery check. Day 4 is data visualization. Week 5 is real world data analysis and so on. Let's look at another demo where you're learning to draw and build confidence. So the prompt is teach me to draw. I'm a complete beginner and honestly feel like I have zero artistic talent. Create a gentle, confidence building 10 lesson plan. For each lesson, teach one fundamental concept. Give one simple exercise that's hard to mess up. Show the expected outcome so I know I'm on track. Start with the absolute basics before anything complex. Make it encouraging. I'm scared I'm failed. So you're putting emotion into your prompt now. And we expect ChatGPT to take care of the request plus the emotion and curate a plan accordingly. Now, to take care of the emotion, it is already telling you that Ronak, this is such a wonderful thing to do. Design isn't about talent, it's about learning to see things differently and training your hand to follow your eyes. We'll take it slowly, one step at a time. No pressure to be perfect. Every mark you make is progress. So this is soft skills on display that ChatGPT uses, which you can learn while seeing the responses and use that in your daily lives. Now, it's created the structured plan for me. Lesson 1 is all about learning to see, drawing without looking. Lesson 2 is lines have feelings. Lesson 3 is drawing simple shapes. Lesson 4 is turning shapes into objects. Lesson 5 is understanding light and shadow when you're drawing. 6 is value scales, the secret to shading. 2 drawing, negative space, simple style life, and so on. So it curated a drawing plane based on the request you had. And ChatGPT understood that you're scared of failing when you're drawing. So it is curated curated a plan that suits your demands. Again, please, I would encourage you to ask ChatGPT what you want to learn next, and that would definitely help you. And that would definitely help you progress your careers or progress your personal life by learning new skills. Now you have seen the demos, but let me share a bonus tip with you. I'm sure not many people know about it. Now that you have a plan, but you still would be confused as to where should I learn, where should I get the content to learn from, because this is just a structure. This is not the content or concept that you need to learn. So within ChatGPT, if you click on the plus here, and if you see study and learn, and if you come and click here, you could actually generate a first draft of the content that you need to learn, not just the structure. So for example, for the last demo that I did, learn to draw, let me just ask with a random prompt, curate the course for lesson 1. As you see, when I asked ChatGPT to create the content for lesson 1, it asked me a couple of questions. So I would ask ChatGPT to expand on lesson 1. Now, when I say that, ChatGPT understood my request that I am looking for content to learn. Now, based on the prompt, it will generate content that I need to learn, not just the agenda or the structure. So, of lesson 1, the goal is to train your eyes and hand to move together, not to make a good drawing, but to build observation, muscles, and focus. So, I need to start with warm up. Eye hand connection, sit somewhere quiet. It's given me the exercise that I need to do. The main exercise is blind contour drawing. Choose 3-4 small objects, mark plant leaf, phone, hand, spend 2 minutes looking, noticing curves, edges, angles, and without looking down. It's given me exercises. It's asking me to reflect. Ask yourself, did I notice details which are normally overlooked? Did I stay patient, rushed? So it not only created the structure for me, but it also created the course content for me. So this is just a bonus tip for you. If you're learning on ChatGPT, make sure to use the study and learn module and generate first draft content and start learning on the same platform rather than paying for courses or searching Google endlessly. This could be a very good starting point. Once you've gone through the course material, then you can look at buying courses, specialized courses to go elsewhere and become masters at the craft. While you're using ChatGPT to curate the structure and the course content, use AI to supercharge your learning. If you don't understand a concept, like I don't understand recursion in programming, ask ChatGPT to use analogies, a cooking analogy or a simple example, why it's useful. Ask it to generate content in multiple ways based on your understanding. Generate practice problems. Ask ChatGPT to give you 5 beginner practice problems for Spanish verb conjugation. Then show solutions with explanations. Quiz yourself. Ask ChatGPT to quiz you. Quiz me on what we covered in week 1. Ask 5 questions and tell me if my answers are correct and why. Simplify complex topic. I've used this a lot. I am lost on quantum physics basics. Break it down into 5 simple concepts a 10-year-old could understand. Troubleshooting. I'm stuck on this exercise. Describe the problem. Why is it hard? What's an easier way to think about it? And the possible solution. Now, there are some pro tips. The learning success mantras on ChatGPT. Tip 1. Weekly check-ins every Sunday. I completed week 2 of learning guitar. Review my progress and suggest what should I focus on in week 3. You can put that in ChatGPT. Real world projects. Give me a beginner project that combines HTML, CSS and JavaScript that I just learned. So ChatGPT would generate a project for you which you can go and complete. Third tip, get feedback. Describe what you have created. I wrote this poem, drew this sketch, coded this function. Give me constructive feedback and suggestions. I've personally asked AI for suggestions and be a critic. Please read the response and probe ChatGPT to get the right feedback, because sometimes the response to a feedback, AI could generate a very flowery response, very beautiful response, and you could feel happy. But if you're still unsatisfied and you think you could do more, challenge ChatGPT so that it gives you the right feedback, right constructive feedback. While learning, ask AI to adapt and adjust. If something feels too hard, ask it to simplify. If something feels too easy, ask it to make hard. AI will adjust the difficulty. The common mistakes that we make while learning: don't just collect learning plans, actually do them. Start small, pick one skill, commit to a 7-day minimum, do the exercises, not just read. It's not social media, you're there on ChatGPT to learn. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins. Do small projects. Now, another challenge for you in this video. Pick one skill you've always wanted to learn. Ask AI for a 7-day starter plan. Complete day 1 today. Comment what skill you chose and how day 1 went. Next video is all about curating health and fitness plans or getting guidance on health and fitness from AI. AI becomes your wellness coach. See you then.